Hey guys, thanks for stopping by
Integrity Vending.
I'm Trina.
And I'm Brighton.
We are going to do a collection video. We've been really busy this past weekend collecting on our bulk vending machines. We want to give you an update on our business.
We've been in business for 11 months now.
Miraculously, we are still in business. Started with honor boxes, and then we moved to gumball machines. And now we've added restaurant amusements.
Oh! Okay, so we got a total of 24 locations and a little more than 50 machines out there working for us.
So Brighton and I located all of our machines ourselves, with the exception of 3 charity gumball machines.
Our goal this weekend was to fill up this jar with lots of quarters. Do you think we're gonna fill this jar up? Leave us a comment down below, yes or no.
I appreciate anybody that's out there working hard. People are trying to make money in all kinds of different ways, including that guy. It's pretty cool though. We are gonna collect quarters on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, all weekend long. That's all we're gonna do this weekend. We're gonna collect and work and locate. We got several more machines we need to locate. We got a lot to do.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you.
Okay, let's see how well we did at the hair salon. 1 pound, 9.0 ounces. $30.
$3?
Cool, Bubba. Yeah.
Whoa, they're getting low.
They're getting low here. Nice. All right.
I'm so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight.
Okay, so this location we have to use 2 cups. So 2 pounds, 5.3. So 2 pounds. Okay, so remember 45.75, okay? So 45.75 in that cup. Plus 58.75. What was the first one?
48.75.
45.75 and 58. So 45 and 58.
Yeah. So we earned $32.50. So yeah. Okay guys, we popped home for lunch real quick, and now we're gonna put these coins in the jar and see where they're at.
Our goal is to get this jug filled up this weekend. Okay, so we're at our children's resale store, and what are we gonna do here?
We're gonna change out the machine because we've been wanting to change out the machine for a while now. And
What are we changing it to?
beaver instead of an eagle, so let's go do this.
Okay, we got the old one out and we got the new one in. And now we've got to empty this out and make sure we get the right commission to the store owner,
Yeah.
right? Okay, let's see how well we did here.
Not bad.
Really? All right, we pay a commission here, so Let's figure out how much we have to pay. Sorry.
Whoa.
Okay, how much is that?
I get it. $44.75. Let's get this commission into the store owner. Look, guys, we got our beaver machine.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could?
So we've got a competitor here.
Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Okay, guys, so we might be pulling out this location because it is not doing good. It's been over here 3 months, and you're gonna see how it goes over here for 3 months. It's been here 3 months since we touched this. So let's go.
What kind of location is this?
A bookstore.
Yeah, it's a bookstore. We haven't pulled any of our machines yet that we've placed. We're starting to, because we'd rather put this machine to good use at a busier place, at like a restaurant or something. But I don't know if I really have the guts to pull one out of a location because it's so hard to find locations. It's really a lot of work to find locations.
What's
so
depressing to them?
it's depressing to them if we pull it out.
Yeah.
It might be. We'll see. All right, let's go check it out.
What if they're like, we'll put a quarter in there every day, just please don't pull it out.
There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
$14, but it was worth it because I got for $1 $10. Look at this.
Wow. So, Brighton, should we keep our gumball machine here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we just got to one of our locations and it's not open and I don't see our gumball machines.
So I think they took the machine, the other owners.
Yeah, and it's like empty back here.
Okay, guys, our machine is totally gone from there. What the heck is going on? The new owner said that he would try to get the machine back. He gave us the number of the last owner.
So I just texted the previous owner, the one that allowed us to place it there originally, and I haven't heard back yet, so hopefully we can recover that machine. It was a double head eagle. Are you guys excited to collect some moolah?
Yeah, Moolah. Yeah. All right, let's get this collection started.
Could it be that I'm lucky to have found someone who is just as crazy as me? Or is it just
Here's how much we made at the resale store.
yet too soon to
Okay, guys, so we just heard on the news that Burger King has these unhappy meals. There is a pissed meal, a blue meal if you're feeling sad, and a happy meal. Burger King now offers unhappy meals. Now we're gonna go check out our nail salon. Location is gonna be really good because we saw the gumballs and it's like half full. So.
Yes.
Let's weigh this and see how much we got.
Whoa. Uh-oh. Cool, Wonder Woman. We got the Wonder Woman cup.
How's those undies? Yeah, those undies.
Oh my goodness. Okay. 1 pound, 9.6 ounces.
This is how much we did at the nail salon, guys.
Okay, so I think we're gonna hit one more location. $51.75.
Get some unhappy meals. Can we get some unhappy meals? Yeah, can we get the unhappy Keister?
I don't know what I'm thinking giving them Frosties this time of night, but we're really tired. It's early in the morning and we're gonna go service one of our restaurants that has our gumball and Skittle machine and get some breakfast while we're there.
Oh, I got you. There's no reason to chasing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
It's
Right. 2.3.
42.05. So guys, we got $42.75. So now we're gonna go give a commission to the owner. We got our machine done and we got breakfast. Let's go.
Okay guys, we hope you enjoyed that collection video. We collected a total amount of... We almost reached our goal, guys. We got to right here. And it's almost full, but not quite.
That looks like you're
Very good though. So now, guess what we gotta do?
What?
We gotta roll all these quarters. In the future, we're gonna have to find a bank that doesn't require us to roll our quarters, but for right now, we have to roll our quarters. So one sad thing about our collection is that we did lose a machine.
We lost the machine, and the sad thing was they took it without calling us because our phone number's on the back, and they could have just been like, yo, come up and pick this machine, and it's going to turn it to a different place. Why, peoples? Why? What? Okay, so before we head out, we want to introduce our shout-out machine. Okay, guys, so you probably want to know, how do you enter into our shout-out machine?
It's super simple. All you have to do is leave us a comment down below and you will get into our shout out machine. Illumination.
Who is the shout out for the day? Wandering Vending. Thank you so much, Wandering Vending, for leaving us comments and liking our videos and subscribing to us. And make sure you go check out Wandering Vending's channel. And that's going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching.
Fool for you.